In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design Instagram post with Canva. We'll go from a blank screen to a polished post that's ready to share. Keeping things simple, clear, and beginner-friendly. Start by opening Canva and using the search bar to look for Instagram post. This brings up a gallery of ready-made templates that you can customize in minutes. Take a moment to browse and use the filters to narrow things down by theme, color, or format. If you are posting to the feed, square is the classic choice. If you prefer a taller look, portrait gives you more vertical space and can stand out in the feed. Pick a template that matches your message and style, knowing you can change anything later. Once your template opens, customize the text. Click on any headline or caption to edit the wording, switch fonts, and adjust colors. Aim for a clear hierarchy, a bold, readable headline, supportive subtext, and consistent font pairings. For colors, you can match your brand or pull tones from an image using the color picker, so everything feels cohesive and intentional. Next, tailor your visuals. Upload your own photos if you have them, or explore Canva's library to add graphics, shapes, and frames. Head to the Elements tab and search for exactly what you need, like icons, patterns, or frames that crop images into circles or other shapes. Keep your layout balanced by aligning elements and spacing them evenly. Simple shapes can create structure, while frames and grids help keep images tidy and consistent. Enhance your images with Canva's editing tools. Select a photo and experiment with filters. Then fine-tune brightness, contrast, and saturation to make your subject pop. A touch of clarity or vignette can add focus. But keep adjustments subtle so skin tones and brand colors look natural. If your template includes effects, test variations and stick with one style across the design for a cohesive look. If you want movement, add interactivity. Animated stickers can highlight key points. Text animations can introduce your headline, and page transitions work if you are building a carousel. Keep animations purposeful and minimal so they support your message without distracting from it. Remember, animations export as MP4 or GIF, so choose accordingly. When you are happy, download your design. Use JPG or PNG for static posts, and MP4 for animated ones. From here, you can share directly to Instagram, and if you are using Canva's Pro features, schedule your post in advance to stay consistent without manual posting. That's it. Thanks for watching.